Hey, welcome to While You're In There. So, got a new toy from Amazon. Impact gun from Dewalt with 3/8 drive. It seems really small. Bag is nice. Instruction book. Wow, that looks like a toy. This says this. I don't know if this is going to work for what I need it for. I think I ordered the wrong thing. Got nice lights. Give it a shot. Comes with 2 batteries, but this thing is so tiny. I don't think it's going to work for what I need it for. Belt clip, charger, and then there's the bag itself. I'll do a little test on it here. I know I got a tire right behind me here. I know it's torqued to 100 foot-pounds, and this is supposed to have 200 pounds of breakaway power. So, move the camera real quick, face the tire. Now, I just put these on, torqued them down not long ago, so I know they're at 200 or 100. It ain't working too good. All right, there you go. It doesn't do it. Not enough power. And I know that's at 100 foot-pounds on them tires because I just did it. So there's your 3/8 drive DeWalt impact gun, which I got to return. It's not big enough for what I need it for. It's hard to tell the size of stuff online, you know. You think you're getting a good deal. I thought it was the much bigger gun. It was $152. I don't know what you use that little tiny gun for. Doesn't even take off car tires. Don't be buying that thinking you're going to take car tires off with that, because it's just not going to do it. That's like putting bolts in walls or something. But alright, thanks for watching. That's why you're in there.